Today we are venturing into an exciting realm: how to create employee engagement from outside the workplace. Now, visualize a team that's not productive during office hours, but also deeply connected and engaged in various aspects of their life. Here are some innovative strategies you can use to drive the external engagement back into the workplace and increase your productivity. First strategy is encourage social interactions. Start by fostering social interactions outside the office. Organize team outings to local attractions, sporting events, and even simple dinner gatherings. These activities allow the team members to bond over shared experience, creating a sense of comradeship and understanding that transcends workplace interactions. This will in turn activate their engagement in work activities. Second strategy is to support personal development. Focus on personal development. Offer access to non-work related workshops like art classes or public speaking course, something that's exciting to your people. This approach shows your commitment to their overall growth and can lead to newfound hobbies and passions that are enriching to their personal lives. This will in turn begin to enrich their professional lives and then spark workplace engagement. The third strategy is to create virtual engagement platforms and create non-organizational discussions on that group from time to time. We are in the digital age, so virtual engagement is key. Set up online forums or social media groups or even WhatsApp groups where employees can share personal achievements, ideas, and collaborate on creative projects. This keeps the team connected and engaged, fostering a vibrant community spirit that keeps work going. The fourth strategy is to involve families. Yes, involve families from time to time. Involving employees' families in organizational associated activities can significantly boost morale. Host family-friend events like picnics or fun days at the park or end-of-the-year parties. This will not only strengthen the family bond, but also builds a deeper connection with the organization by extending the sense of community back to work. The fifth strategy is to volunteer together as an organization. Team-based volunteer projects are incredibly impactful. Whether it's a cleanup drive or helping a food bank or working for a cause, these activities unite the team for a common good, fostering a sense of purpose and collective achievement. The engagement flows back to workplace engagement. Strategy number 6 will be to recognize life milestones. Acknowledging personal milestones like birthdays or wedding anniversaries is a powerful gesture. Celebrate these moments with small gestures or team shout outs. Just shout out to somebody. This personal touch can make employees feel valued and see themselves beyond their professional roles. And finally, strategy 7 will be to promote health and wellness. Champion health and wellness activities. Organize group activities like fitness challenge or meditation sessions. This will not only encourage a healthy lifestyle, but also shows that you care about their well-being outside work deliverables, which will definitely have impact on their job. By implementing these strategies, you are not just building a team, you are nurturing a community. Employee engagement outside the workplace is crucial for a well-rounded and satisfied cohesive team. If you have enjoyed this insight, please subscribe to the channel for more content on emotional intelligence, leadership, and personal development. I encourage you to click on the suggested videos on the screen so that you can keep learning and growing. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, great leadership includes fostering connections that go beyond the office walls. Now, until the next episode, I'm Enahoro Okhae. Keep practicing emotional intelligence.